MC1978, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Christine Pardillo. I am 29 years old, single. I am from Malone, Sarangani province. I have four siblings, so I am the fourth of my family. And I am applying abroad, especially Hong Kong, is because it gives better opportunities. I also need to support my parents financially and also my siblings' education.
Hmm.
And I have 8 years of experience as a household helper way back in 2022 until 2024. I was also a working student that time. And I took care since um, there's three adults and one kid in that family. So I take care of the child since when he was 1 month and 6 months, 1 year and 6 months. And my responsibilities included feeding him, taking care of the baby, and also giving him a bath, playing with him, and tutoring him. And when I passed my um, licensure examination, I applied as a teacher for 2 years. And I am also an elementary teacher and also a preschool assistant teacher. So my experiences helped me develop my um, patience, responsibilities, and also childcare skills.
Hmm. So, you're a working student and you work for this family. Actually, they are Chinese. Judy Wong is Chinese,
Ye-
right?
yes, sir. They
Hmm.
are half Chinese.
I see. So, when you start the job, there was only a baby.
Yes, sir. The baby was 1 year and 6 months old.
I see. Okay. So you took. How did you take care a baby?
My when I wake up, then I have to take care of the baby. Like I have to feed him. I have to give him a bath. I have to put him to sleep. And after that, I have to do other household chores such as washing dishes, washing clothes, and also after that that during the day, and then during the night I go to school. It's because I was a working student that time.
Hmm. So if the baby keep crying, what should you check?
First, I have to check if the baby is sick. So if the baby is sick, so I have to get the thermometer. I have to check his temperature, and if he is not sick or maybe hungry, so I could give him um food, or I have to play with the baby, or because it's sometimes babies gets bored, so I have to play with the baby and give him a toy also, or read him a book.
Okay. So how do you know the baby has a fever and what should you do?
Of course, we have to check his temperature. So if the temperature is like 38 degrees, so it means he has a fever. If it's like 37, so it's normal. So no need to worry. But if it's too high, of course, we have to ask the parents or his mom about the condition of the baby. We have to check the temperature first.
Hmm. Sing a song to baby.
Yes, sir, I can do that. The wheels in the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels in the bus go round and round, all through the time.
Well, I expect you can sing better. You're not good enough, you know, and you're a teacher, you know, right?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm just nervous.
You have another one?
Yes, sir.
Don't be nervous this time.
Yes, sir. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Much better. I like it. Yeah, that's good.
Yes,
Okay, so you can take care baby, right?
yes, sir. I can.
Uh, if you take care young kids, say 5 years old, 8 years old in Hong Kong, two of them, what can you teach them?
Of course, sir, since I have experience, I was a teacher for 2 years, so I need to use these experiences to teach some of my basic skills about like reading during our break time, or also I can also play with them. And after that, if I don't have any much work after I do some like house chores, then I have to tutor with them also. I can also do that. Even for free, of course, sir.
Hmm. So before, did you cook in the house?
Yes, sir, I used to cook also, but honestly, I'm not that good, but I can cook and I can like some basic Filipino dishes like in the Philippines. So we use to cook adobo and also soup because I think Chinese like soup every time they eat. So and also I am willing to learn new experiences about cooking.
Yes. It seems you have to learn Chinese cooking. No problem. The,
Yes, sir.
there are many ways to learn. All right.
Yes, yes, sir.
And so you live inside the city, and you're the second youngest in the family, right?
Uh, for yes, sir. Second youngest, sorry. Yes, sir. That's right.
Mm. And you are single.
Yes, sir.
Why you are single?
Um, I have to focus on myself, sir, because having boyfriend, of course, is not my top priority for now. So maybe next time I could have a boyfriend. But for now, I have to focus on myself and for my family.
Well, you should have boyfriend before, but falling apart, right? And now no more boyfriend. Was it like that?
Yes, sir, because it's okay to, have no boyfriend. It's not like it can't help me provide my bills. It
No
can't help
problem.
me.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. I just want to clarify that. And also,
Yes.
employer would like you to stay for 2 contracts or longer. Can you make it?
Yes, sir, I can make it.
That sounds good. Uh, so how would you describe yourself? What kind of person you are?
I am hardworking and I am also multitasking, sir, because since when I was in high school, I also work as a household helper, so I do a lot of things. I can also multitask, and also I am trustworthy and I am also honest. That's very important to being an helper or as a nanny,
But you
especially having
never
that.
work abroad. You understand in Hong Kong, most employer are quite demanding or demand. Sometimes they tend to be yelling, shouting, like that. Can you handle? You know?
Yes, sir, I can. Yes, sir, I can handle that because way back in my experience when it's like my first time applying as a household helper here in the Philippines. So I have also an employer like that, but my parents always told me to just respect, just follow their instructions, just follow their family rules. So that's what I'm supposed to do. I don't need to to talk back to them. I just have to listen about the problem, and I have to make it correct after when I make mistakes. So that's okay for me, sir.
Sounds good.
I used to, yes, sir.
Okay. Give a message to your future employer.
Mm. hello, my future employer. Thank you for this consideration. I will promise that I will do my best. I am a hardworking person. I am trustworthy, and I am also honest. I can take care of you. I will take care of your home, like it's like a safe place as mine, safe and clean environment. And also I can take care of your kids, and I can also tutor with it. So and I hope you will give me chance to work with your family soon. Thank you very much.
MC 1978，我俾個 rating 咧，係 A 加加嘅。佢年紀適中，大學畢業，小學老師訓練，有 license，有2年教小學嘅經驗。咁佢教書之前咧，半工讀幫華人咧打咗8年住家工，就湊一個 baby 去到7歲，家務啊、煮食啊，即係佢都有做啦。但係佢要再學嘅，即係如果中廚就咁英文當然相當清楚流利啦。咁佢之前湊嗰個 baby 都係歲幾嘅，湊到7歲，咁所以咧佢可以湊 baby 湊小朋友，當然湊小朋友更加好啦。因為佢又教過2年小學，係啦，小學，咁識陪啲小朋友玩啊、教學啊咁樣，咁所以咧佢可以做2、3個合約嘅。我俾個 rating 係 A 加加，因為佢未有出國經驗。